What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Cess Builds, with a different angle this time. So I decided to start a kind of like a podcast, but not really. I'm very passionate about video and editing and cars, so I decided to kind of go through some YouTube videos and talk about the edits, talk about the cars, and kind of just have a conversation between all of us. So I hope you like the videos. Again, these videos are not mine. A lot of respect for the editors and the builds. This is just my unbiased opinion of builds and edits. So let's try this one. It says Oregon's best car show. Let's see if it's the best one. Wait a minute. Not the box. You know how many times I wanted to buy a XB? Why? I have no idea. But we're off to a start. A lot of camber on that XB, but it's fitment's a little interesting. Best car show. Oh no. I think the only car that I've seen that I'm like, all right, decent is not even this 3 Series. Like, the wheels are nice. It's just, basic. The G80 is nice, but it's okay. Okay. Write the comments. You ready? I don't really care for BBS LMs too much. I said it. Okay, so 30 seconds into the video, I will say that it's a bit redundant. It's kind of like not taking me anywhere yet. The hell is that? Looks like a freaking tuba. Yeah, I'm kind of over the basketball scene already. Can't do the whole minute of just playing basketball. Okay, minute 5. And then the ambulance showed up. Somebody got hurt playing ball. Is it Buddy? Like, is he hurt? Are you good, bruh? He said, I'm gonna call the police. You don't let me play.
A sphere of hot, seething gases and surges of radiation.
Okay, I will say the transition between both songs was pretty good.
Most of the light we get from the sun comes from a thin, bright layer which defines its visible edge, the photosphere.
Oof. This was not color corrected. Okay.
Above it, the chromosphere.
And a little too bright on the left.
A region of
Okay, shot. Filler.
flaming outbursts of gas.
I'm curious how I would have done this differently.
Outbursts of gas.
I don't know. The dog in the car kind of threw me off.
But the chromosphere, a region of flaming outbursts of gas.
Okay. Oh, this is clean. VSS I do like. See, that's nice. Simple, clean, good fitment, nice wheels. I like a good JDM set of wheels on a German car. That's nice. Very nice. I feel like I was out of frame. I would have maybe brought this up a bit and zoomed a little more on the fitment. Great shot. Maybe a little further back, zoom in a little more. See, I would have moved the car. The trash bins and then the gear bag on the side. I would have put it somewhere else. Great shot. Okay, let's move up just a bit. I will say they all seem like the same shots. Maybe do some close-ups at some point. Get a little tighter on the edges of the car. That would be nice. Okay, there I would have cut, boom, new car instead of this one. Yeah. Let's see, what's next? The box. It's too dark. Okay. Different. Okay. XP. Okay, so I struggle a lot as well with green because I'm in Florida and there's a lot of green. I think you did a good job kind of making this a little vibey so the green's not that green, but it made the blacks a little too black, so I would have maybe popped that up just a bit. The front camera's crazy. I mean, like, yeah, front cameras, it's pretty wild. That looks so funny.
This is why you don't wrap your car.
Okay. Rollers. Rollers. Where's my light? I lost my light. Sorry, you might want to check your seals. Woo-wee. Not on the Prius. Who do you think will win between the Prius and the Miata? That'd be a good race. Solid. Both have like 80 horsepower. Looks pretty clean. With the red tints. The blue one's nice too. That body kit though, look at that. Ooh, thick. Okay, IS all day. The price is okay. I don't like the front fitment too much. It's a little too spacey. Now, this blue one, that's risky. I like that. Is this the same car from earlier? It was a G82, not a G80. Oh yeah. What's this? A Chaser Mark II. Oh, that'd be nice too. One of these. Okay, if I had to do it again, okay, sad to say, I would buy the Prius as a daily. And then I would get this Chaser over a G82 all day, any day. This IS though, this goes hard. Oh, it goes hard. Damn. All right, let me go back. Altiza. Oof. You know, okay. I like Miatas. Definitely over Priuses. But I don't know, it's a little too I think it's you can see all the screws on the where the body kit is. It's a little too much for me. Okay, sign me up. E36. I want it. I'll take it. Ugh, but look at those freaking pipes. Why are they so crooked and dirty? Like, y'all not going to a meet right now? Yo, how many times do you think this guy gets tires every year? Those are new. You can still see the sticker on them. The dog. This is clean. Oof, look at that LS. TSX. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at his face. He's like, yeah, this is nice. Hell yeah. That's clean. Fitment's almost there. But that's hard though. Static. And this guy too. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Also with the VS's. What? I missed the song change. Yeah, decent. The flow's going a little from the bottom end of that song with this one fading out. Nice. Okay. You know, these are worth more than the car. I'm not hating, I'm just saying, why they gotta be so expensive? I want a set, but I can't. Toaster. Y'all see the fitment on the freaking Subaru? Damn, I want some tilt. What did I tell you guys? These guys get tires every month. Jeez, that's crazy. That's wild. like the wrap. El Subi. That's nice. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I like the wheels. Nice and deep. Perfect. Like polished chrome. I like the wrap. That's right. Yep. Everybody always, when they get to the meet, first thing they do, boom, polish the wheels, clean the wheels. I do the same thing. BMW brake pads, trash. Dusty as hell. That's not a Mexican OT. Look at the S2K back there. Oh, I missed my S2K. Wait a minute. This man brought the drill with him. He ain't playing no games. He's serious. Look at this.
Speds outside.
What do you say? This man look like he just woke up. That's a cool color. Okay. El Subi. That's clean. Yeah, you know, I feel like VAP cars are slowly dying. And that might just be my opinion, but I don't see as much with as many VIP cars as I used to. Everybody's kind of getting G80s, G82s, G87s, etc., etc. That's a nice color. No, not the IS. Why they gotta do this to me? Oh. Damn, you ruined it for me. I feel like it went from like a Japanese import to like a meet at AutoZone right now. Why? No, dude. No. That's just my opinion. Car's great though. Yes. Simple. Clean. Stancy. Starry. I love the hardtop convertible. Yeah. Great. Mexican OT. I've never seen a Camaro on VS's. This group loves VS's. They probably do like a group buy. Where do I sign up? Because y'all got VS's. Nice transition. I probably would have gotten the crowd from a different angle, or like in slow-mo. That would have been cool. This car, 10 out of 10. I want it. P car or Toyota Chaser. What do you think? Oh, with the Blitz wheels. Oh, that's crazy. Bagged FD. Front fitment, great. Rear, more tilt, please. Okay, I feel like this is also a very underrated car. 300ZX. And then the new one, what they wanted to call it, the Z, but they call it like the 400Z. They're both like invisible. Like nobody, I've probably seen only one 400Z or just Z, and I barely see these 300ZX. I mean, they came with a, you know, what is it, like a twin turbo V6 in the 90s. I mean, that's great. That's what G80s have now. Wagon, yes. 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 Solid lineup. Folks, classmates. See, now I don't know. I feel like I want to eat my words. I would definitely get the Picar over the Chaser. See, VIP, second one. Oh, no, there's 3. Okay, 3 VIP cars. Fitment is almost there. The rear, almost there. Like the hood. I don't know how I feel about the spoiler on spoiler action here. Another one. Okay, West Coast. West Coast likes the 300. These are crazy. These splits. What did I say? Another VS. Like, are they free in the West Coast? Like, do I need to just go to the West Coast and get some VS's? Best of show. Oh, that's cool. You know, I've never won anything from a car show. Like, it's just, like, I like building cars, but this is like way out of my budget to win anything. Beautiful. Wow. This Evo's crazy. Wow. All right, this is clean. This is very nice. With the TEs. Puppy Fly says TEs and everything. Okay, here's a slow-mo. Cool. It's a little grainy, so I wonder if your camera is downsizing to 1080. Which is fine. That's okay. Might just need to crank up the like the exposure just a bit. See? He won something. Like, come on, bro. How much money did he put in a car? Probably less than me. And he got something. Good for you. Okay. I would have maybe not made this so sequential, like how the day started and it ended. Overall, great video. Very good. If you see this and you want some help, I'm more than happy to help. I've been shooting cars for a long time, and I've been just shooting video for a very long time. So, great video. I would have done it less sequential, maybe less shots of the same car, and I would have kind of like ended it strong, and maybe a stronger start too, because it was like 30 seconds, and then like a whole minute of just people playing basketball, and I just wanted to kind of get into the car thing, you know. So maybe car thing, then people playing basketball, and then a little more, and just to kind of like engage or capture the audience a little better. But overall, great video. Thank you, Rogi. Hope I said your name right, for your video. It's actually pretty good. And yeah, if you see this and you know the person with the blue IS or Altisa, whatever, just send me his Instagram because I love that car. Super nice. Cool. Let's see. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Good, man. Good job. Like the video. Very good. Color grading can definitely use a little help, but I'm sure with time you'll master it. And the builds were great. I wouldn't say, I don't know if it was the best car show, but maybe it was the best car show in Oregon. I'll give you that. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this different content. I will be posting content like this and car content as well. I'm still working on my 2 cars, and yeah, and I'm working on some other things. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Please hit that like, share, subscribe if you stuck along for this long, and I would really appreciate it. See ya.